How to highlight text in CapCut PC. Import the video clip into the timeline. Add a text box. Change the text color to make it visible. Type underscore 4 times and drag it to cover the part of the text you want to highlight. Disable uniform scale from right side. Increase the width to cover the text. Then increase the height to cover the text. Go to the Animation tab and search for Wipe Animation. Adjust the animation during according to your needs. Right-click on the text layer and create a compound clip. Go to Video Basic tab, look for Blend mode and change it to Multiply. And that's how you can highlight text in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.